everyone, welcome to the Python tutorial. In this video, we shall try to understand the extreme basics of Python. Let's begin by talking about how to create headers in the Jupyter notebook. To create a header, we first need to change the code to Markdown in the Python ribbon. Once we do this, we use hashes to create headers. To create a header, we first need to change the code to Markdown in the Python ribbon. The Markdown uses hashes to insert headers. Depending upon the number of hashes that are used, that the font of the header changes. A single hash creates a header of a larger font size. Let's take a look at it. And Control Enter. A header with a larger font size is created. However, if we want to reduce the font size here, we can increase our number of hashes. Remember again to change the code to Markdown in order to do so. Here we use 4 hashes to change the font size. And we get a header with a smaller font size. Also, it's interesting to know that after 4 hashes, the font automatically changes to italics. Let's take a look at that also. And here we have our headers in the italic font. Where hashes and markdowns create headers, a comment is created by a single hash. Like in MySQL, we use backslash and asterisk to write a comment. In Python, we use hashes to write any comment. And comments are important as it helps us understand what the code that we have written is all about. So comments in Python also play a very important part. Now that we have seen how to create headers and how to comment a particular statement in Python, let's move on to understanding the data types in Python. The most commonly used data types in Python are integers. Now, integers could be positive or negative, followed by floats. Python also understands decimal values. So, not only integers, we could also have float data type in our Python data set. Strings are also easily understood by Python. However, strings are written in a single quote or in a double quote for better understanding. Boolean is also a well-known data type, and as we know, Boolean implies only 2 values, true and false. That was all for today. Please keep following the Ivy's YouTube channel for more Python tutorials. Thank you.